This is Gravity Gen 2 by Seeken. It's a powerful, intelligent and premium smartwatch designed for an active lifestyle. With IP68 water and dust-proof, 100+ sports modes, advanced health tracking, a AMOLED screen with always-on display, and a long-lasting battery life of about a week, it's the perfect companion for anyone who wants to stay fit and healthy. During the unboxing process, your eyes will be immediately drawn to the exquisite smartwatch placed prominently at the top of the package. Additionally, you will discover the inclusion of a wireless charging dock, allowing you to conveniently charge the watch. The package also contains a user manual, providing valuable information to familiarize yourself with the watch's functionalities, and a warranty card for added assurance. The smartwatch boasts an aluminum body, enhancing the overall quality and durability of its exterior construction. Complementing the watch's premium build, it is accompanied by a high-quality silicone strap that is suitable for both genders. The back of the watch features a one-piece structure, specifically designed to enhance its water resistance capabilities. Additionally, the watch incorporates various sensors for health-related features, and the charging pin is conveniently located. To turn on the smartwatch, simply press and hold the top button until the boot logo appears, indicating that the device has successfully powered on. At this point, you can proceed to set up the watch using the companion app, SmartTime Pro. In the upcoming video, we will guide you through the process of pairing the watch with your smartphone.